Hello to everyone. In this video, we will see various anomalies, mysticism in our world that surround us and intrigue with their mysterious origin. Well, that drove. In this video we see a celebratory action, but when lightning strikes, the sky lights up and we see a strange object hanging in the sky above a salute. In the next video, several spheres were shot over the city of Boston.
Serious, look at these three lights in the sky. There were only two of them. Now another one come. They just stay there, like seriously. Wow. UFO. Let's get
This video was shot in Sochi by one girl. She says it was so beautiful that the camera could not convey the beauty of this anomaly. What do you think? Is this an anomaly or a portal to another dimension?
A massive explosion rocked downtown LA today, shaking the ground and causing panic.
Place exploded.
Flames and thick black smoke could be seen for miles after an explosion so powerful it knocked the glass out of neighboring windows, some a couple blocks away.
화산이 폭발하듯 파편이 사방으로 쏟아져 내리고 엄청난 양의 뿌연 연기가 솟구칩니다. 지난 토요일 오후 LA 도심 상업지구의 한 빌딩에서 원인을 알 수 없는 폭발과 함께 불이 난 건데요.
The photo was taken in Santiago, Chile on May 10, 2004 at 1740. It depicts a small alien humanoid. Photo taken by camera Kodak XC. Optical zoom 10x was used. Because of this the photo became blurry. The photos were analyzed and no manipulation or fraud was found. In 2004 and subsequent years, the media in Chile were severely censored. Strange luminous object recorded in flight from a commercial aircraft. Just look at this amount of locusts in Bahrain near the Persian Gulf.
بيروح قطر نايم شوف نايم في شيء.
Do you think these lights in the sky are something mystical, or is it a spotlight from something earthly?
A parking lot, and it's a perfect circle with the lights around it in the parking lot. This isn't fake video. You can see my kids. It's the strangest thing I've ever seen. There's no reflection, there's no anything, it's just coming down. That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. It's not moving, it's just sitting perfectly still, right above the clouds. It's the weirdest thing. I don't know. Say hi, Leah, so people.
The confluence of the Amazon River with the southern Atlantic Ocean, contrasting shades of water flows. Strange phenomenon in Illinois. That's all for me, see you in the next video.